Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here at DW Productions. We are going to be unboxing the Bazyths Smart Toilet. This guy right here. Plus, we're going to be doing the installation and the demo. I went ahead and cut the box open and pulled the plastic off around the outside of it. As far as packaging goes, this thing is pretty well packaged. It's also heavy as well. So, team lift when you're bringing this in the house. Flange accessories package. That is our toilet ring. Wireless remote control. This looks like a relay of some sort. Water valve if in case you don't have one. And our instructions book. We are installing our smart toilet today. So I've got the toilet flipped upside down here, so just so you can see as far as for the drain assembly that this kit comes with. It comes with the toilet. So this little blue plastic drain line here, this goes down onto the floor around your drain pipe. There is two wax rings. There's a thin one, which I've got installed on here right now, and then there's a thicker one. So the thin one goes on the bottom, thicker one goes onto the top. So just so you can kind of see here, this is the thicker piece right there. Now, the nice part about my particular setup, I already have an existing toilet plate there, so I'm going to be reusing that, and I'm using my own wax ring. So for those of you out there that need a kit for the drain line, this comes with it. But for the rest of you out there that already have this type of setup, pretty much the only thing that you might want to invest in or purchase is just a wax ring. Now, to mention about this plate, these four holes right here, those are vitally important to make sure that that is secured and snugged down onto the surface of your floor before you go to tighten down the brackets. Now the brackets, these guys right here, this is designed to sit angled inward. So that way when you sit the toilet over it, you're going to put screws in from the side, it's going to screw in, it's going to cinch it down and hold your toilet secure and snug. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and install my other bracket plate here down onto the floor. Let's bring you guys in for a closer look. So just so you guys can see here, this particular bolt, this is the one that we were talking about. Where did I put that plate? So to give you the example, this is not round all the way. It's designed to drop into place. You can turn it sideways so that way it locks in. So it looks something like this underneath when you go to secure that bracket piece. So I've already got the bolt in place for myself. Now I just got to install the bracket. I can put my wax ring right there. And again, the angle goes inward. This kit comes with one if you don't have one. So, but I happen to like using wax rings. So, each to their own. Nice. The hoses that we have, this thing comes pre-fit. This is going to go right to the wall because I already have a close-off valve. Now this little dongle right here, this is for the backup battery. If in case you happen to run out of power or lose power at your house. This right here is not a relay, it's a battery box. It requires 10 AA batteries. So do not have this plugged in while you have power. This is specifically when the power is out. All you're going to do is plug this in place just like so. And this is going to give you the ability to flush while you have no power in your home. Let's carry the toilet, get this thing in place. Now this lid is also removable to give you access to get behind the toilet. There we go. Our water valve right down here. So we're gonna flip this guy around, give us good access. Now, time to put our screws in place and get this thing secured. So right down here, right where my finger's at there, there's a hole that goes through that plate. Okay, that's screw number one. All right, screws are in place, snug and secure. I'm gonna finish off the RTV silicone around the base of the toilet a little bit later. But the only thing left now is to turn on the water and plug in the power. Ooh-wee. You see that there? Let's go ahead and plug in the power. In my own preference, to have something to protect your electrical from getting wet. Just like so. Well, we got something going on here. Let's go ahead and snap this in place. Here's the automatic lift. Little lift right here. Oh yeah, buddy. Now I just got to get some AAA batteries for the remote here. All right, here we got our remote. So if you guys can't notice here, this very first one that's right there, that says rear wash, front wash. So for those of you out there, male, female. You got a power stop, you've got an air dryer, and last but not least, you have your flush. And on the back side here, this is where we can control all the temperatures, from your heated seat to the heated water to the heated rinse. You also have an air dry on there. And this last one says, nice, we got a seat cover as well. So seat up, seat down. Seat up, seat up, seat down, seat down, and then flush. This thing is pretty slick, and this is wireless. So for those of you out there who like impractical humor like myself, and you get a friend that comes over, you can essentially take this out of the bathroom. You could hit them with the bidet, at least when they're not expecting it. So that's my little joke there. All in all as well, you also have the button here on the side, so if you press that, it is going to give you the flush. Seat's got to be down. Now it flushes. Has a pretty sweet flush feature to it too. Pretty powerful as well. This thing is awesome, guys. Can't wait to start using it.